Welcome to another episode with Blue Lagoon Tours, straight out of Portland, Jamaica with Trey Day and the team. Just watch and enjoy and respect for your support.
So peeps, and Jamaica touch pan crab bush, you know. Welcome to Blue Lagoon Tours, another episode, another year. You don't know crab hunting. So me and my nephew Damiki, we're going on a crab hunt right now about what time? Yo, peeps, before I cut the knife video, watch ya. I tell him man put on gloves and come man put on the gloves back and front. Tell me if this man no mad. This for the in your palm. But anyways, you know we're gonna try to catch as much crab tonight. The other day I go in a day and I catch a couple. The other day when I come from her, I catch a couple. So our first night now we don't really see a lot of people on the road. So we're gonna try see what we can catch. The rain there fall hard just now. So just wish you luck. I'm gonna tell him to look out for the crocodile, you know, so because we don't want to get them tonight, you know, so big up on yourself and stay tuned. Is it? Alright peeps, spot one crab already. Hurry up, come Damiki, come in front of me and go step on him. See him there peeps. You want to catch him? Give me his hooks up me if you want. Catch him. Might not slip as a way come up crab bush. Damiki, can't make him get away, you know. Take him up. Don't make him fly, you know. That is it, my boy. You spot the one there quick. To one more there over there, so. For them hours this, you know. Alright. Alright. Oh, the blood. You really gonna make me hear you? You really gonna make me hear him? Look at this. Come on, hold on. Go on now with you. Catch him them now. See me take up on you. One thing let me tell you peeps. You see over a period when me I got a crab bush. You see hours like from 12 to in a day before morning, crab left them all go feed or doodle, defecate. You see me? So when me go in at the time, you can't go crab bush really. Cause look how far this one are from you. Ufang kawawa. Oh. Kurang keknya. Watch the meat here to see the one crab. Acha, that make you step on this, no? Oh gosh, man. That make you really make you sit in a day, so? Water stir up now, you know. If you can't manage when you want me to take it, bombard him, clammy. Yeah, that make you might have to be careful what you are doing, you know, my youth. Take up something now. Jamaica, let me take up the one now. Bombard Jamaica. Jamaica, in gone in a hole. And he's so small. We can't get that again. Yo, the last day upon you, you know. I'm not taking blame for that. Because I can't believe you thought so we don't want to cook crab. So one next crab there. Shit. Oh, then like the heavy. So one next one, huh? Small. So one day over there, so then full like water, watch out. One the big one. Where I go? I'm cool right now, cause I just walk in the water and now look for crocs. But then like then sit here, come over so. So I'm up there so. Angry because of one fear. One fear. Give me what take up my shit. Where big one gone? Damn go catch the one, you know? But I don't see where one gone, so catch up. Go take him up now. Step on him, step damage. Remember say you can't step on him so. Remember say we pinch you. Wait.
Step on his knee.
Don't move, you know. Because you can't see nothing here. Make your water clear up. Next big one right there, so look like hole there. Make your water clear up, look a bit. You run off.
Listen there?
Wait, make you run off, man. We just want to see him back.
You hold him?
Take up that. Next one. So I mean, the next one must resurface also. I feel like him gone and I mock them. So the next one about that not too big, you know. Yeah, peeps. The next one that make you catch. I take you up and take a picture with it. Show them say, oh, you're no boy if you play with it. You see how we are circling water? Somebody kill one there. Alright, yeah, we not go over here so yet. We want to circle on the far in part over here so. And then come back to this side. Let me tell you, up here so we have to go walk. Up here so. Yeah.
How much crab that now?
We're gonna go home. About 7 crab we got. But my youth, when you step on the crab, they might watch what you do. Because I don't want them pinch your toe. I remember me think of shoes I did a wear. Can't believe I slippers I wear. You see me just there so. In a bush here. Okay. Cool. Cool.
Mama dah kena. Look, friends dah here.
Cool. Macam ni. Pinya bomba dia. They go 1, 2. Yo, bombard! Shit! Yo, no stay too far from me, my youth. Wait. I make it that not too small, man. So don't stay far from me, because see when I just run across this, I gonna hole. What up to? So one day I got hole. Hurry up, not Mickey. Go up there, so see him there. Hurry up, not Mickey. Hurry up, not before I find hole. Bomba, if I use it, you have. Yeah, good. Good. Oh, I we not got any spot yet. You want to take him up or I'm going to take him up?
You take up in next time.
Yeah.
But that night we're gonna hurt you.
We're going to king. Yeah, cool. Wait.
Yo.
Wait, no? I think we'll amp and make your finger to blow it clean. Wait. Oh, a woman crab too, you know. She have more than one bag, you know. I can't believe me forgetting it. What tree drop down? Should I make this one or cook him? So how we go? I come like I'm here to start the catching. Right? You see him? You don't see him? See the crab here in front of you. You crab this. Something wrong with him.
I'm on a woman that.
When you see the color, you know it's a woman crab. Go on, proceed. Wow. Boy, all day I know, see. See one day, see one day, see one day around there, so hurry up now. God, God damn it, man. Big one that gonna hold, you know. My yo, me can't be half you tussle with one crab mite and you have stick. You have a gear feel for your dog. So that make no sense. Me di bring you. Oh God. When me could not catch one, you cannot catch one, but you have to tussle with one crab. I don't understand how I go on this. Watch there, two bumbo cleat. I'll get one.
More than one in there.
Okay, well, I think I come through here. I think I come through here. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Right. Không hức kia. Cái cửa ổn. Ổn cơ. Không hức kia. Oh, enggak. Gotcha. Yeah.
I'm gonna move right there. Yeah?
This is
Yo.
this is
Yo.
oh, look, this is big. Oh, Relax. And what is here? Call it so. Okay. So one more. Yeah? See if I can come up. Rig. Broke off the claw and gone. Giant. Giant. So. Ah.
too much crab.
That's good.
Yeah, go back out now.
I'm gonna look up at the top yet. I just see I hole there so. Yeah peeps, so I come back up a yard. Come let off the bag there. Get a new bag. And we'll go back for the next location. So that you know you go feel night. That make you yourself so far.
And no crab we catch, man.
That is it.
And look at the crab gateway.
I will give a couple people some what I know might want, you see me. But that is it. You know, we outside. Big up on yourself. Alright peeps, so they are in next same spot but just different section. So one crab there already. But me not too fight no crab where they are hole. You see it. Man, I drop down to blow. Hey, remember we down here so I say if you look out for crocs, you know dog. And I no joke thing my youth. Anything will look like one crocodile head, listen out for sound. Remember me and you down here.
Okay.
You can't go like you're no fool. Yes, dog, name was up a crab full down here, man. Watch it. This crab there, run. You know what that size there. Crab make me a run, I don't even know where me a run go. I have to watch me surrounding, you know. Frig. Oh, God. Kan je vinden? Ja, kan je vinden. It's one big one there. Look on the man there. Kijk. Hey, not go too far. You still over there? Again, go. Alright, rope in. Watch out. Look up in the tree here. Look in the tree here now. Watch out. Mumpy. Oh, crap. Fuck. In there.
You got them too?
Frig. Look how much crab on there, so asleep. Pass it up. Hurry up now. I'm gonna hold and make you hold this. Walk up and down in the water, look there. Peeps. And just walk up and down in the water so. But me not trust them water your blood clean. So watch this one. Alright, hold it back.
The thread one.
Hold it back now. Woolly bag. Look here. Look at my shit now. It's a woolly bag.
Now only bag.
Look for no yaya. Yaya come out for me, you know. Come, roll out the bag. Just stay there so and work with me. Put on your cook now. That's how we have roll out the bag. That make me hate how you work slow. By the time you done work, everything gone. So too. I'm gone in a hole that Mickey. I broke off the claw. Step on him, I broke off the claw. The man pig gone in a hole. See how much get wet just down here so? You see how much? Oh, no. No, my grab this. Oh, see my guy old. Got a female like this, you know. Yeah man, just twine up the bag. Twine up the bag. Alright peeps, we have our next bag almost full like the first one, but we are call it a night, you know. So one day, pass it. I'm having gone down. Nah, I go say you not bad at all. You not good. God bless we. Enough gateway and enough catch. Me I say yo me a pro, you know. Cause I'm a work list, so cause someone will get away from me. I tell you, them they did for catch. If them they did catch, you know, the bag would have heavy. But the camera smear up, man. A beer more dip on it. Tree.
A tree.
Lizard they palm. Hurry up. Open me back. Hurry up. Four of them, one gone and died basically. See you next one, huh? You see how much we get here, so? Yeah. You see how much we get here, so? You see next one they gone down there, so? Alright. You can help me. So Kabush tonight was very adventurous and I enjoyed it. Catch 2 bags of crab. About 50 crab or more. Cause I know more than something like 25 crab in one bag. Yeah. So how was your experience?
Sweet.
We love you most cause we just pick up some mampy at the last location, you know. So we love you most.
Like which location?
Like overall, anything. We love you most.
I don't know if you explain it.
Alright. Him don't know if you explain it. What me love you most is the fact that in the bush scary, so it kind of make your adrenaline a pump because you look out for crocs. Back then we never know about no crocs, but in recent times them as a crocodile they are the location them, so I don't know. Every rainfall and we don't see none come out. I go in a day and we don't see none. One night time we think we last and something because at night you know you can't see nothing. But we did think the location unique, but man go there before because bush chop down and something. So, but at least, if in April man roam through bush them and I catch crab and we get some nice size crab tonight. Because we don't really see nobody on it. Well, we don't see nobody at all on the road that hunt crab. So I wonder what go on. And every time rain fall, the road full of 100 man. Last night, well, the night before, the amount of people run past yard. So, just right now, I don't see nobody at all. So, I guess it's a good night. I just wait out here until my turn. So, thanks peeps for not come out tonight so we can get this much crab, you know. And I think I go back on a more crab bush. You see it. Anyway, I go back to crab bush. I must somebody I go come with me, we want crab, you know. But look here. This guy a clear road. Yo. This guy a clear road, peeps. Go up on and show it still like how me I see it right now. So big up on yourself, you know, and stay tuned. I just do the video them because guess what? I have nothing to really edit pan right now, you know, so anytime I get a chance to use something I edit this, at that time I'm not going to see it, whether it be a couple months down the line or what. But as I say, when I come back from my feet, you know anything I go, I'm not going to stop. You see me? I just some setbacks. But big up on yourself. I'm out. The bush and no peeps. That's right. From what they don't care what to go them bag feeding and so me give them so they look mager. Which me no normally do, you see me. Actually rain and the kid will get bounced down, me no want ackle her too much. So me I eat me a chop some bush, you know. Chop through some bush till me reach a one place where I see enough feeding. So right now I be a wild cherry. There so. So then me a chop through. When daylight out, me use the power saw. Well, yeah, when sun come out, hopefully me use the power saw and cut it down. I do want to go on a land of pumpy go work today, but I don't think I go today. Might be me just go and use the gas that I have and cut down them part. So the goat can get feeding easier and then it can spring up back fresh like how so much rainfall. So just cut out all of them part for them spring up fresh. Yeah. But this project still, you know, day by day, carrying out the goat. You know, I go eventually chop down place. So after a period of time, you know, this are clean down. Cause when me younger have goat, you know, them part of beer, Spanish needle and hog meat. Yeah, goat love hog meat. Hog meat right now, them one their name. So this are my thing. No party, straight focus. And I tell you, any boy contest right now, I want to rob my thing them. God better guide, you know, and cover on under them blood. And don't make me know how. Yeah. Because me not work so hard for you to come thief my things them. And it's not about for people where I say me show you up on video. It's not about showing up on video. Because I know people something get thief and they not showing up on video. People just walk around and pray upon people things. You see me? I just that type of problem. But me do out here, I do the right thing. You know. One pig me I go get next. I never raise pig yet, but I don't think it hard. Based upon what them boy show me. So that time pig eat everything, so you don't have to worry. Yeah. This is one star apple tree. What are this right now? So I don't cut it down, but you see how tall it is when them cover and I try to fight for reach sunlight. Then tall, so you see it. I'm soon show you what I go on again. I don't keep on too long. Look how I cut it down, man. You can't see it good, but yo, I just unchopping my shirt soak. So I take time clean it out and hope say fresh feed can grow. You see me, a beer fern over here. So I come with the power saw today. And I fall all of them trees. So.
Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. That's our mom. Yo, one people come. Una mom people come here. Yes. So look what all of them put there.
You see how them crab big car?
Yeah.
And look how much crab. And the next bag no full cover, you know, because when this bus, you know, crab.
Yo, mom people come.
All of the box them down in the meat.
Yeah, the box down the field.
Two pound crab.
Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. That's about it.
And the one the biggest that.
Them two there, my son. Woman crab that uncle. And be a woman crab. Be a woman crab.
Abi woman crab.
Dada, be a woman. Look at the tail.
Right?
Yeah. The one there, mine. If you touch one of them there, then they pinch me. Watch both of them are bite. But one of the baby one. Oh, come on, my baby. You go in there.
Oh,
The one that on this road.
where?
You see him?
Him?
Yeah.
He not dead.
No.
The mother dead. Daddy, I grew up. No, me never did.
Bombard. See one away.
Yeah.
I want big claw one too, you know.
Take off.
Eh.
They did that fight?
I forgot boil him, I don't know.
Look at him. So Dada, take off the piano. Can I take off?
Yeah, I boil him now.
Make a list of one.
Go boil them. Some of them are the fight. So you have to boil them. Dada, take off the one. Look at the one there. He never fast. The look one there. They say he never fast.
The one right there.
Yeah, he never fast.
Kinda.
Let me keep. Dada, put the one
How
there.
much let me take up?
None.
I one me take up. One.
So where you take off one? Then you say it.
A step.
Yo, them crab they dirty, Dada.
It's one claw they down this one.
Uncle, if you don't want something to live,
Them bite me, you know. Show you. Alright, yeah. Them they are left so now. I don't know how we catch so much for.
good thing, good thing.
Where is that, man?
It's a two pan, I'm them I boil now. I know people who want crab, but I not cook no crab give nobody.